Respect is a fundamental aspect of human interaction, both personally and professionally. Earning and maintaining respect requires a combination of self-awareness, effective communication, and consistent behavior. In this video, we will discuss practical ways to earn respect from those around you. Respect others. Respecting others is a foundational principle in earning respect yourself. When you treat others with dignity, empathy, and consideration, you create an environment of mutual respect. If you respect other people, they'll certainly respect you, and so on. Be authentic. Authenticity is the foundation of respect. Authentic people stand up for what they believe in, even if he has to face unfavorable and negative reactions from others. Embrace your true self, acknowledge your strengths, and be open about your shortcomings. Authenticity builds trust, an essential component of earning respect. Help others. Helping others is a powerful way to earn respect, as it demonstrates qualities like empathy, generosity, and a commitment to the well-being of those around you. Show your competency. Gain respect by showcasing your skills and knowledge. Continuously improve yourself and stay informed about your field of expertise. When others see your competence, they are more likely to trust and respect you and your opinions and decisions. Communicate effectively. Communicating effectively is a key factor in earning respect and strengthening positive relationships. When you convey your thoughts, ideas, and emotions clearly and respectfully, it establishes a foundation for mutual understanding and admiration. Set and maintain boundaries. Establishing and maintaining boundaries is crucial in earning and maintaining respect in your relationships, both personal and professional. When you clearly define and uphold your boundaries, it communicates self-respect and sets expectations for how others should treat you. Be reliable. Be reliable in your actions and commitments. Deliver on your promises and be consistent in your actions. When you consistently deliver on your promises, people will trust and respect you and rely on your word, boosting respect for you. Be an active listener. Respect is a two-way path, and active listening is a powerful tool to demonstrate it. When engaging in conversations, give your full attention and listen attentively. Reflecting on what others say before responding conveys others that you honor their opinion. Admit and learn from mistakes. Nobody is perfect, and owning up to your mistakes demonstrates humility and self-awareness. When you acknowledge mistakes and take responsibility for them, it shows that you are committed to personal growth. Others are more likely to respect individuals who learn from their experiences. Celebrate the success of others. Celebrate the achievements of peoples around you. A supportive and collaborative attitude fosters a positive environment and earns the respect from others around you. Earning respect is a continuous journey, not a one-time accomplishment. It's about building strong, meaningful connections through your words and actions. By incorporating these strategies into your daily interactions, you can create a foundation of respect that will benefit your personal and professional relationships. Remember, respect is earned through genuine efforts and a commitment to fostering positive connections with those around you.